Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful wreath, perfect for the summer. I'm cleaning it up. This is a vine wreath. You can get this almost at every craft shop, even at Walmart. I'm gathering all the materials. I'm going to be using this twine. It's a Robe twine to make the hanger, and I'm going to be using Gorilla Glue with a hot glue gun. And these beautiful lemons and a lot of greenery. It's going to be beautiful. I'm going to add the touch of these beautiful lemons and different greenery types to add more texture, different tones of greens. And I hope you enjoy the tutorial because it's so easy that I'm just taking off the tags before I start. And as you can see, I don't want to use the whole bunch of leaves. I am cutting them off. In that way, you can spread them around the wreath better and manage them easily. These ones are beautiful, has these little flowers in it, and it's so adorable. Very, very delicate. I love them. And these are a little bit lighter in color, which I love because then again, it's going to give more contrast and interest to the wreath. I suggest you to put the biggest item first, always, or maybe the most important items first. In that way, you can really say where you're gonna put everything else around. At the focal point before anything else. And I'm not going to glue them in case I want to move them after. Next thing to do is to add all the greenery, and I'm going to just do that little by little, turning the wreath around to spread them all around. This one I'm going to just do the same, and I'm going to alternate, put one on the outside and one in the inside all around. Going to continue now with the rest of the leaves. As I can see where they all gonna go based on where I see the empty spots. There is no right or wrong way. Now it's time to add these beautiful flowers. I'm going to place them around and add more beauty to this wreath. What I love about this is that they're flexible, you can bend them, so it's easier to place them around. Now it's starting to look fuller, and we're almost done with the process of making a beautiful wreath. Now I'm adding this inside of the wreath, so you can see these have a lot of texture and it's adding more interest to the wreath. Now I'm going to turn it around and clean it up if it's needed. I don't think I need it. It's maybe this one, but if you find something that is sticking out completely and it's looking so ugly, you cut it off and it's fine. But now I'm going to add the hanger right here. I found this branch that is strong enough, and that's it. That's your hanger. Now making sure that the lemons are in the right way, and I'm going to add the glue, and as the final touch I'm going to add a bow as well. Let me show you, it's a very easy bow to make. If you like a more in details how to make this bow, I have a video tutorial. I'm going to link it in the description box so you can see it. I love this ribbon. The design, it's called Houndstooth. It's very classical, elegant, but I wish this ribbon was a little bit wider to make a more substantial bow for the wreath. So what I have in mind is to layer it with another ribbon that is wider, and also to add another color to the wreath. You'll see what I mean. I'm making sure I'll have the same amount of loops on both sides, and they are folded nicely. And after, I'm going to just pinch it in the middle and tie it with this twine rope. This rope is going to be also used to attach the ribbon to the wreath. What I'm doing now is opening all the folds to make them look fluffier. And the last thing I'm going to do with the bow is to cut the tails in a V-cut. So let's make the bow a little bit bigger. I am going to layer the blue ribbon, which is wider, with this bow that I just made. It is preference, I guess. I think it needs a bigger bow, so I'm going to just make it look bigger, layering it with a wider ribbon, just like this. And after, I'm going to also cut the tails in a V-cut. Now I'm just going to add it to the wreath and make it look beautiful. What do you think? I think it looks beautiful. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy these kind of tutorials, please don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.
Unique expression.